Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us Hide and Seek. First, you'll need to adjust your game settings. It's best to have just one imposter, and crewmate vision should be higher than the imposters. A kill cooldown of around 15 seconds is also recommended. Crewmates will focus on tasks, while the imposter prepares to hunt after a short countdown. As the imposter, your role is to eliminate all the crewmates. At the start of the game, you'll reveal yourself, often by venting in front of everyone. Then, a brief countdown, usually about 15 seconds, gives crewmates time to scatter and hide. During this period, you cannot kill. Once the countdown ends, your hunt begins to find and eliminate every crewmate. If you're a crewmate, your main goal is to complete all your tasks before the imposter catches everyone. Staying hidden and constantly moving is key to survival. Unlike regular Among Us, you should not report bodies or call emergency meetings. Some versions allow limited vent usage for quick escapes, so use them wisely to evade the hunting imposter. The game concludes when either the crewmates successfully complete all their tasks or the imposter eliminates every crewmate. Remember, there are no emergency meetings or body reports in Hide and Seek, so communication is often limited to external voice chat. The tension builds as the imposter closes in, making every task and hiding spot crucial for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.